Well, oh my goodness, Johnny boy. Mima and I felt so bad when we found out that we've been teasing you all this time about counting, and then we find out that you just don't know how. And that's why it upsets you too much. Oh, Johnny, 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 why didn't you just tell us beforehand? If only we had known, we could have helped. But now that harvesting season is coming into play, it's time for you to learn how to count, my friend. So let's get to it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3,
I brought your numbers out.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry.
What?
First, we have to tell Johnny boy
Yes.
how so sorry we are for making fun of him when he can't count.
I'm not sorry.
You're not sorry?
No.
You're not sorry you made fun of him?
I didn't make fun of him.
Oh,
I just pointed out some facts.
okay. Well, I'm sorry for making fun of you. No, I guess I'm not either. But we're gonna help you, Johnny boy. We're gonna help you. Okay.
1, 2,
No, you're supposed to be counting in French, Mom. Start over.
I don't know the numbers.
Then you have to say it after I do. You hold it up and then I'll say it and then you say it. Ready? Here you go, Johnny. Duh.
Duh. You're sticking together.
3,
3,
4,
Casta.
5,
5,
6,
6. And desist.
7,
6,
7,
7,
7,
7. 6, 7, 8.
8,
8,
8, 9,
9,
10.
6.
Okay, let's try it again.
No!
Come on.
No!
1, 2, trois,
deux, trois,
quatre, cinq, six,
quatre, cinq, six,
sept, huit, neuf,
sept, huit, neuf,
10.
six. I don't want to learn how to count that way.
You don't want to learn how to count that way.
It sounds stupid.
It's French. Are you saying the French language is stupid? Un, deux, trois. Quatre, cinq, six.
Quatre, cinq, six,
Sept, huit.
what?
Sept, huit, neuf,
Voulez-vous?
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And we're doing this why?
Because we love Johnny.
Okay.
But I would like to send a video of you counting to 10.
Why?
Just to show that you can.
There, I counted.
Name them.
Left hand, right hand.
One.
No, that means okay.
1,
That means you.
2, 3. Come on, honey. You gotta show that you can. Johnny Boy will be thinking that you can't count either, and you guys should be taking lessons together.
1 shell, 2 shells, 3 shells, 4 shells, 5 shells, 6 shells, 7 shells, 8, 9 shells, 10 shells, 11 shells, 12, 13 shells, 14 shells, 15 shells. New clip. Oh, that's what they taught me in the service.
That's what they taught you in the service?
Yes.
Okay, well, there you go. That's how you count, Johnny Boy.